Tortilla Wrap special sauces. Small onion 1, garlic. Chili flakes, soggy 0.1 TBLS. All to TBLS. Red chili sauce to TBLs. Soy sauce to TBLS. Tomato ketchup 1 cup. Grande to all ingredients. As a side. Sesame. White sauce. Garlic. Sesame seeds to TBLS. Yogurt 3 TBLS. Oregano 1 TBLS. Chili flakes 1 TBLS. Black pepper half TBLs. Vinegar to TBLS. Mayonnaise half cup. Blend it all ingredients. Ready to white sauce. All to 3 cups. Add to chicken fillet. Fry to 7 to 10 minutes. Tortilla Wraps your shawarma bread. Like, share with friends. Delicious! Yummy! Thanks for watching.